everyone, welcome back to another video here at Practical Healing Foods. I'm Tim, and today we're going to be making keto hummus. It's just a few ingredients, and I think you're going to enjoy it. It's going to go really good with our keto crackers / chips that we made in the last video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this hummus working right now, guys. First thing you need to do before you start making anything is you need to steam your broccoli or roast it. Now, if you look at most keto instructions, they say microwave. If you look at our kitchen here, there is no microwave. The reason why you microwave stuff, it kills food. Dead food does not have any nutrition at all. So we don't use microwave, and we don't have one in our kitchen. But you can steam it. You can do like a double boiler and steam it that way, or you can just grill it, however you like. But that's the first step. So now we're going to start putting everything into the food processor. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so now the first step is to get our food processor ready. The first item we're going to put in is tahini. Now, what is tahini? It's roasted sesame seeds. We get this, it's organic. The carbohydrates on here is 3 grams. There's no added sugars or anything like that. You can get it at most stores. It's going to be by your peanut butter, especially if you go to like Kroger or something. So we're going to add that first. Okay, we're going to add 1/2 cup of tahini inside the blender. Okay, and then we're going to add 4 ounces of olive oil in this mix. Now we're going to just mix this together until it's smooth, with a smooth consistency. And let's do that now. Alright, we're going to mix this up. It's not properly integrated yet, so we're gonna give it a blend for a little longer. Okay, let's check consistency. And now it's properly blended, so that's what you're looking for, that type of consistency. Okay, so now that that's all mixed, the tahini with the olive oil, we're going to add the cauliflower into our mixture. And we're just going to dump this in here. Alright, so we just put the cauliflower in. Next we're going to add some chopped up 2 cloves of garlic. Place that into the food processor. Okay, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We actually juiced this lemon, so this is from a real lemon and not the bottled stuff. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. So that's 2 of those, because I have a 1/4 teaspoon right here. Okay, so we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, which will be 2 of these, because this is a 1/4 teaspoon. Just add that into your mixture. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add 1/4 cup of water into the mix. Now one rotation of the grinder of salt and pepper. You can always check later on, see if you need more. 1. And pepper. Now we're just going to put the top on and blend. Blend, blend, blend. Till a smooth consistency. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a taste. The consistency looks pretty smooth. See if we need to add any salt or pepper. Yeah, we need both salt and pepper. Let's give that another mix. Okay guys, we just tasted it and it's missing a little bit of salt, and we add just a little bit more of tahini. You just got to check and see when you're making it, just taste and see if you need to add extra tahini, extra salt, do so. Because we're not using the chickpeas in this, we're using the cauliflower instead of the chickpeas. So Oh, okay, guys, also a side note to this is, remember, cauliflower heads are different sizes, so there's no way, it just says the recipe calls for just one head of cauliflower, so each one can be a different size. So you just kind of adjust your ingredients to make sure you get to achieve the flavor that you're looking for. So we added just a little bit more tahini in and a little bit more salt in for it. So let's go ahead and... Okay, that should be good. Let's go ahead and give it another taste test here to make sure we're right where we need to be. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, that is it. So that is what we're looking for. See the consistency? There you go. Okay, I just want to tell you a quick story. I actually fell in love with hummus when we visited Israel in 2019. Man, it is so good there. There's a couple Mediterranean eat outs here at Houston, and they have different type. They have spicy and just regular and like 3 or 4 different other varieties. But if you love hummus, give this a try. I think you'll like it. Okay, so this wraps up another episode for us, and now we have our hummus. One last thing you could do is, if you want to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the top of your hummus, you can do that. Just a little bit, or as much as you want, because olive oil is healthy for you. And you can also sprinkle the top if you want to with some paprika. Yeah, just sprinkle just a little bit on top there. These are the keto crackers we made in the previous video. So that's what I'm using for my chip and dip. Let's go ahead and try this together. Oh, that's delicious. It takes me back to Israel. Wonderful. Try this for yourself. And guys, we just thank you so much for checking out our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Check out our website at www.practicalhealingfoods.com. And there you can see our recipes. In our shop, you can pick up these shirts or whatever you would like to check out while you're there. All right, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.